Imagine a state where endless farmland meets thriving cities, where world-class manufacturing powers the economy, and where one of America's busiest transportation networks keeps the nation moving. This is Indiana. Known as the Hoosier State, Indiana is famous for the Indianapolis 500, rich agricultural traditions, strong manufacturing industries, and hard-working communities. But behind its quiet image lies a story of economic transformation, advanced manufacturing, growing technology, rising housing costs, and changing opportunities that are reshaping the state. Today, we're uncovering the real story of Indiana and why its future could play a major role in America's economic success. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest documentaries about U.S. states, world events, and the fascinating changes happening around the globe. Now, let's discover what's really happening in Indiana. Indiana has long been known as the Crossroads of America. Located in the heart of the Midwest, the state connects major cities and markets through one of the nation's busiest highway and rail networks. This strategic location has made Indiana a powerhouse for manufacturing, logistics, transportation, and commerce. At the center of the state is Indianapolis, one of the fastest-growing cities in the Midwest. Known around the world for hosting the legendary Indianapolis 500, the city has also become an important center for healthcare, finance, technology, sports, and advanced manufacturing. But Indiana is much more than its capital city. Across the state, thousands of farms produce corn, soybeans, livestock, and other agricultural products that support both the national economy and global food markets. Agriculture remains one of Indiana's strongest industries, combining generations of farming experience with modern technology and innovation. Manufacturing continues to be the backbone of Indiana's economy. The state is a national leader in producing automobiles, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, machinery, steel, aerospace components, and advanced industrial equipment. Factories across Indiana provide thousands of high-paying jobs and attract major investments from companies around the world. Technology is also becoming an increasingly important part of Indiana's future. Startups, research centers, and universities are helping drive innovation in artificial intelligence, biotechnology, clean energy, and advanced engineering. These growing industries are creating new opportunities for young professionals and skilled workers. However, Indiana also faces several important challenges. Housing costs have increased in many communities as demand continues to grow. Some cities are working to provide affordable housing while supporting new development and economic expansion. Infrastructure remains another major priority. State leaders continue investing in highways, bridges, airports, broadband internet, and public utilities to support long-term growth. Environmental concerns are also receiving greater attention. Communities are investing in cleaner energy, water conservation, pollution reduction, and stronger protections for natural resources. Preparing for changing weather patterns and supporting sustainable development remain important goals for the future. Despite these challenges, Indiana continues attracting businesses because of its skilled workforce, central location, competitive business environment, and strong transportation network. These advantages position the state for continued economic growth in the years ahead. The human story, but beyond the factories, farms, and highways, Indiana's greatest strength is its people. Farmers, teachers, healthcare workers, engineers, factory workers, entrepreneurs, first responders, and small business owners all help build stronger communities across the state. Their dedication, resilience, and innovative spirit continue driving Indiana's success every single day. So, what does the future hold for Indiana? The answer depends on how the state balances economic growth, affordable housing, infrastructure development, environmental responsibility, and investments in education and technology. Indiana remains one of America's strongest manufacturing and transportation centers. Its story is not just about farms, factories, or famous auto races. It is a story of innovation, opportunity, resilience, and transformation. As Indiana continues to grow and evolve, it will remain a vital part of America's future. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.